my question, okay, so if this number is a 6 in the middle, if that's a 6x, okay, what should be in here? What should be my number in here? There was a kind of a way we went about that, remember? We're going to add them together. 3. So why 3, Madison? Why does it have to be 3? How, like specifically, how'd you get 3? Remember, we're talking about this number right now, and Madison's saying it has to be a 3. Perfect. Whatever this number is in the middle, we're dividing it by 2. Okay, that right there is a key step. Okay? So that's something that you should definitely write down. This, and remember, this thing at the bottom here, this is like the thought bubble. Okay, this is like you telling yourself, this is how I got 3. I took 6, which was this number here, the middle number, and I just cut it in half. So, long story short, whatever the middle number is, cut it in half, and that's what goes in there. Questions at all so far on why it's why it's a plus 3 inside? Okay, so now, if this thing were a perfect square right here, what would we do to get the ending number? What would we do with the 2 3s to get the ending number? Multiply them, right? Same thing we just did on the last problem. Okay, so if we multiplied them, okay, if I did 3 times 3, or in other words 3 squared, right? That's going to come out to 9. Okay, but this number at the end is not a 9, it's a 1. So how on earth, what could we do out here? What could we do to a 9? What could we add or subtract to it to get to 1? So again, if we do 3 squared, we're supposed to get 9, but it's 1. So how do we get from 9 to 1? Remember, because we said there might be a plus or a minus something out here. So what would we have to do to get from 9 to 1? Subtract 8. So since 9 minus 1 equals 8, okay, since 9 minus 1 equals 8, nope, sorry, number dyslexia. Since 9 minus 8 equals 1, we have to subtract 8 out there, and then we'd be done. And now it would work the right way. Because if we did this here, we did that 3 squared to 9, but then we subtract this 8 out here, that's going to get us to what we need to get back to on the standard form.